How to download and install Memrise app. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this Memrise apps tutorial, I'll show you how you can download and install the application itself. So how do you do this? The first step is to log in is to open your mobile device and then head over to your application store. It could be App Store, it could be Play Store. Just ensure that you go to the App Store where you can download your apps. Then click on the search icon by the bottom right corner and then type the name of the app, which in this case is called Memrise. Then the app will be displayed. Then once the app is displayed, in the position where you can see open for me, for you, you will see the option install. Alright, so just click on that. Once you click on the option install, the Memrise app will be downloaded, and after some minutes or seconds, depending on your internet connection, the application will be installed, and then this open would be available. So the next step would be for you to open the app, create an account, and start using your Memrise app to learn as many languages as you would want to. So this is basically how you can download and install Memrise app. It is simple, right? Yeah. So go ahead to try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.